if I told you that there was a delicious, savory treat that you've never had before, or maybe never even heard of? What if I told you that it was probably already in your refrigerator? It's the egg!
Well, okay, so I exaggerated a little.
We've all enjoyed eggs at some point in our lives, but have you ever tasted or ever even seen what's known as a golden egg? A golden egg is an egg that was scrambled inside of its shell, and it's a unique preparation that has been relatively unachievable until now. Introducing the Golden Goose. We've carefully designed and engineered a new kitchen tool that allows you to create golden eggs yourself. It's the goose that lays golden eggs. The Goose features ergonomic handles, abrasion-resistant nylon cordage, a tough scrambling chamber, a securely locking ring, and a soft egg cradle designed to fit a variety of egg sizes and shapes. Inspired by the motion of a Victorian-era children's toy, the Goose is a low-tech kitchen appliance designed to take advantage of what are known as centrifugal forces. It's been carefully designed for performance and can thoroughly mix an egg while protecting it from breakage. The way it works is to hold the egg safely in its cradle, while the spinning motion evenly mixes the egg white with the yolk. Over the past year, we've carefully designed and developed the Goose. Following a thoughtful design process, we started with loads of ideas and sketches, created different geometric prototypes, 3D prints and rubber molds, building and testing rough CAD models, and performance testing a variety of materials. We tested our prototypes in a variety of situations as well, and took the best design to finalize it with sophisticated computer CAD models. We love the Goose, and we think you will too. Tell your friends, and thanks for watching.